Hello my friends, how are you today? I hope you are happy and healthy. Are you ready to start the story? Okay, let's go. The name of the story is The Winter Under the Lake. Once upon a time, there was a lake and many different animals live under its beautiful waters. Turtles and crabs live a good life next to colorful fish. Every morning, the sunlight passed through the waters and reached under the lake and lit up everywhere. Little fish woke up and played together. They chased each other and hid behind the rocks. They lived a peaceful and happy life. One morning, like every day, the fishes want to go out of their house. Their mother said, "It's autumn and the weather is getting colder. It's better to stay at home and play here." The fishes promised to their mother not to go out and say goodbye to their friends. A little fish didn't want to stay at home and was very sad by his mother's word. He liked to swim in the lake water from morning till night and play with frogs and turtles. He said to himself, "I wish I wasn't a fish. If I wouldn't live in the water all the time, and if I live on land, I could play in the forest and enjoy the sun." Suddenly, the kind turtle who heard his voice said to him, "You are wrong. It gets cold on the ground like in the lake, and many animals like you spend the cold days at home." But the little fish didn't believe. He said, "I am sure that the weather is always warm on the earth, and the trees are green, and the birds are singing on the branches of the trees. Why don't you go to the ground yourself to see everything?" Turtle said. The rest of the fish got worried when they realized that the little fish was going to go to the ground and ask him to go home with them, but didn't accept. He swam and went to the top. But as he went up, the water was getting colder. Finally, he reached the surface of the water. She took his head out of the water. Do you know what he saw? Yes, my dears, he saw the forest with dry trees. There was no trace of fruit, of flowers. The grass had turned yellow, and no birds were singing. Said the little fish to himself, "Kindly turtle was right. On the earth, summer is gone, and the water is cold." He hurried swam home. When he got home, he happily said, "Even in this cold weather, with my family, is warmer than anywhere else in the world." Guys, I hope you liked today's story. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.